Hey everyone, so here is Presto Music app, your music on your phone. So let's just check it out. So just double click to install it. And let's take a look. Extensive catalog of over 200,000 classical and jazz albums. Great digital collections of albums, composers, artists, and labels. Search built for classical music, allowing easy discoverability of composers' works with artists. High resolution audio. Daily articles and interviews. So yeah, this is especially for classical and jazz music. This is not like pop music. This is not like rock, R&B, whatever. This is just, these two types, classic and jazz. And yet you can also hear it in quite nice quality. So yeah, pretty cool idea. And then you just go in here and then you just have this app here. So this is how it looks like. It's kind of basic app. The design is very basic, and you just have all of these tracks. Again, you just have jazz and classics. You can see classical new releases. So the main point of this app is that it really has a huge collection. Not just, like Mozart or like this basic classical music, but here it has a lot of new artists, new releases. And then, for example, you can just click in here and then you can just start it playing in the app. Then you can have your collection, and then you have your articles. And so then there's just what you have here, and then there's just your home. You can see your device. You can set up full lossless quality, which is pretty cool. Then you can mobile streaming quality have just if you're on 5G offline streaming quality. You can have your account. There is also plans which you can go and upgrade on the website. So streaming, there is this price. There is yearly price, which is cheaper. So streaming plus is the highest quality possible. 10% discount on downloads. So 200. So basically, that's just what you have. So you still have the highest quality sound on the premium plan, and then also you can order here some vinyls and just Blu-rays, vinyl, sheet music, books, instruments, and accessories. You can order from this app. So yeah, here you just, for example, if you just go in here, and then you just have the idea of it, and that's basically how it looks like. Again, on the you can kind of still get full lossless on the free plan, but I guess if you want even higher quality, then that's just you need to upgrade. But there you have it.